Ethiopia is known for its sun, its warmth, its light. But this March, something changed. For the first time in over 2 decades, it rained on race day. For years, every detail of this race has been carefully designed. In past editions, even the shower stations were thoughtfully arranged. Umbrellas set above, so those who wished could pass through untouched. But this year, it wasn't a controlled shower. It was the sky itself, uninvited, unpredictable. After 22 years of building this movement, there was one question: will they come? But they came. They came in their thousands. 10,300 women showed up.
በእውነቱ እኔ ደስ ብሎኛል ዛሬ። ለምን መሰላችሁ? እናንተ ወይ ዝናብ ሆነ ትላላችሁ። አይዟችሁ።
በደንብ እየተቀበሉት መምጣታቸውን ጓጉተው የሚናፍቁት ቀን መሆኑን እያየን ነው። ውድድሩም ላይ የእውነት አሃለካ እንደዚህ ይቻላል የሚያስብሉ በጣም ብዙ ጠንካራ ሴቶችን፣ አካል ጉዳተኞችን ስናይ ነበረ። በሁሉም የእድሜ ክልል ከየትኛውም የህይወት ጉዞና የስራ መስክ ውስጥ አንድ ላይ የተሰባሰቡበት ነበር። በጣም ደስ የሚል ድባብ የሚፈጥረውም እሱ ነው። አንዳችን ሌላችን እያበረታን የምንመጣበት።
The rain didn't stop the celebration. It became part of it.
ስላገኘው ይሄንን ማጋጠም ይሄንን ክብር ስላገኘው በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ። በጣም ኮርታል።
ሴቶች በመላይ ይኖራሉ፣ በራስ መተማመን ይሰራሉ፣ በራስ መተማመን ይሮጣሉ፣ ይችላሉ።
They all showed up. Women who inspire Ethiopia. Women who lead. Women who set the example.
ይሄ ውድድር ሴት ልጅ እንደምትችል ምንም ነገር በአደባባይ ራሷን መግለጽ ማድረግ እንደምትችል በጣም በጉልህ ያሳየ ውድድር ስለሆነ ለኔ እንደ ሴት በጣም ትልቅ ኩራት ይሰማኛል። ከስኬቶቼ አንዱ ነው ብዬ ነው የማስበው።
A champion and a symbol of possibility.
It's amazing. The spirit in this race is really nice. The fact that it's only women, you see the solidarity. Somebody was holding my hand while we were running. I really love it. And I think it's something that will give you a memory of how amazing Ethiopia is. It's really a privilege to be here. Thank you.
A movement that reaches beyond borders.
Our brand is an enabler brand. It gives opportunity for everybody, both young and old, women to express themselves. Want to be that enabler platform to help lift women up, to get them to fulfill their dreams. This is a women's event. It's not every day you see a lot of women brought into one place, both old, young, and everybody with the right energy. So it's a great event. It's something that we are proud to associate with, and we believe that we will continue to do this in the future.
So many women running, and it's incredible what you achieve. Yeah, it's amazing, and it's also so important, you know, that you make people and especially women run and be physical active, and that is what our work is all about. Physical activity is also a very good mean to prevent cancer and other diseases.
DKT works with women. Basically, we are promoting sexual reproductive health, and we are promoting family planning. And we see this event today as an opportunity for us to spread the message, to spread the importance of family planning, and to spread the importance on keeping sexual reproductive health conditions. And basically, we just want to have fun with these participants today.
ኦብቪየስሊ እንደሚታወቀው ዳሽንባንክ ሴቶች ላይ በደንብ ትኩረት አድርጎ የሚሰራ ባንክ ነው። ውስጥ ሰራተኞቹም ላይ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ውጪ ከተለያየ በሶሳይቲ ፎከስ ያደረጉ እንትኖች ላይ ይሳተፋል። አንዱ ግሬት ራን ነው ማሳያ ማለት ነው። ግሬት ራን ላይ የተለያዩ ኢቨንቶች ላይ ተሳትፈናል። የሴቶቹ አንዱ ነው። ሴቶችን ለማበርታት ጤናማ ሶሳይቲ ለመፍጠር እየሰራ ነው።
Together, they support more than a race. They support a movement. This was never just a race. It was a moment. A moment that proved when women embrace something as their own, nothing can stop them.